We're at b1p2.com. Your home for learning calculus. We're down here. Where are we? We're at the higher order derivatives. Under differentiation, this is the section here we're in. It says find the second derivative y double prime. So that's not the number 11. That is a single quote. And actually there's two of them. Looks like a double quote. But anyway, that indicates that we want to take the derivative twice of this guy right here. All right. Not too difficult. So we have y is equal to, alright, so it says find y double prime. Okay, y double prime. That means we take the derivative, and the derivative of 2x is just 2, and then we take the derivative again. And of course, that is 0. So, pretty simple stuff, right? You should know how to take the derivative of this. I shouldn't be going into, why did we just put a 2 right here? You need to look at the section previous to this one and know why that is. All right. What if I said this? Okay, that's a 2 right there. You know what? I need to work on my handwriting. It's hard to write on this thing. This tablet I'm writing on. d2y and dx, that looks like squared right there. So this notation, right, says we need to find the second derivative of this guy right here. Okay, so there's other ways of writing this. We could also say dy over dx is equal to 2. Alright, and then d, this is kind of some different notation, and then d2y over dx, which looks like a square here, is equal to 0. Alright, so you could see it here, you could see it here. Okay. Anyway, but it says find y double prime, so that's the way we're going to write it. If it said, find that, then that's how we would write the final. Would be like this right here. Okay. Anyway, and I don't believe I have any that actually say this. Maybe in the future I will, but I don't believe I do that. Alright, we're going to end that. Let's move back over to the board here. And as you can see, y double prime is equal to 0. So we're in this section here, higher order derivatives, right? Click, click, click. I think I got problems in this section too, and some of these other buttons I believe are not programmed. So anyway, it's enough to get you started on what in the world is a second derivative. And once again, this is not the number 11. It's just a quote and then another single quote and another single quote, even though it looks like double quotes. But anyway, alright, and there's going to be reasons why we're going to want to know, take the first derivative and the second derivative, and that's going to come down in this section down here. Alright, remember where you are. You're at b1p2.com. If you get bored, click on that. If you're really bored, you can click on hit me a shout out here if you got something to say, if it's positive. Alright? Okay, good luck.